Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HUAWEI Nova 13i. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then click install. And click open. Now click accept and continue. Then close this ad. And you have to press on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.